Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome back to SK Technologies. So in this video, we will see the Jenkins dashboard setup. In the previous session, I clearly explained how to install the Jenkins on a VM, which is running the Linux operating system. So in this video, we will see how to set up the dashboard and how to log in the dashboard and the some basic steps we will see. I already opened this page. So if you can see, so here this is the first level login. It's asking the initial admin password. So they provided this Jenkins path actually. Okay, the initial password where it will be stored, where it is existed, the path. Simply can go and cat it, guys. Okay, so simply you can go and right how to read the content. Sorry, something making issue. Sorry for inconvenience, guys. Be careful with your mouse sometimes. Okay, so you can go and cat this. Where is that? So where lib Jenkins is the default home directory. So under that secrets and the initial admin password is a file. So there you are having this initial admin password. It's an encrypted password. Copy that. Then simply click on here. Okay. So this is your Jenkins setup dashboard setup, guys. So here I told right there will be so many plugins. So with that help of the plugins only your functionality of Jenkins is working. Okay, so all entire your Jenkins is based on your plugins only. So here they are suggesting with some standard plugins. Okay, so you have to install these plugins, then only your Jenkins will work. Or else you can go with some your selective plugins, whatever you want to, you can. So 100% people are going with the standard suggestible plugins only. Okay, so already they selected, guys. So click on that, then automatically it will start the installation of the plugins. See, getting started. See, folders related plugins, timestamper plugin, pipeline plugin, git plugin, ldap plugin, and gradle plugin, and plugin, build timeout plugin, ssh builds, email extensions, okay, palm authentication. All are these are the fundamental, I mean, very basic and the suggestible plugins. Okay, so you either you see even you can go with the selective plugin whatever you want at the moment, but always you can prefer the suggestible, guys, because these are the standardized plugins, guys. So based on your internet bandwidth, it will take some time, guys. Okay, so anyhow it is moving fast only, so let it be. So meantime, we'll have look on the Jenkins, uh, the folders, the default folders of the Jenkins. Okay, so I always prefer to explain this default folders. Okay, so default directories, because you are the administrator, right? You should know each and everything about your tool. The moment you install the Jenkins, where lib, okay, so where lib Jenkins, this is the directory as a default home path, your home directory of your Jenkins. See, if you observe slash var, it's a OS related file system, OS related folder. So you are not supposed to keep your application inside the OS related file systems. Okay, so you must change this value, you must change this path into your custom path, like so in my project we are using a data and Jenkins. So data one, okay, slash Jenkins. So we will see how to change the home path also. There might be a configuration files, so definitely you can go and change the home directory default path into the custom path as a slash data one and slash Jenkins. Even in the real time also we are following the same. So inside this folder there are so many folders, guys, like jobs, let me highlight it, jobs, plugins. Okay, so Workspace, very important one. Workspace, tools, okay, so etc will be there, or conf, I think so, conf something, we will see. Okay, so these are the things very very important. And the config.file also there, config.cfg file. So this is also very very important, guys. So all this available under your Jenkins home directory. Okay, so let me check the, yeah, still going on, let it be, guys. Okay, so based on your internet bandwidth, so it's taking time. Okay, so if you observe here, so jobs, so this is the main stuff in your Jenkins, guys. So with the help of these jobs only, we are defining the stages in our deployment task. So normally, if you want to deploy application, before deploying, you have to check out the code, you have to make the build, then you have to make the Sonar report, and you can push a copy into the Artifactory repository. Thereafter, you can log in your Docker, then you can convert, you can create the Docker file, then you can build the Docker image, then again you can push the image into the Artifactory repository like a Docker private repository. Thereafter, you can accessing your deployment server. Thereafter, you can installing deploying your containers. So this is what the procedure, right? So all these tasks we are defining inside the job only. Okay, so there will be a dedicated session, guys. I will try to explain clearly how many types of jobs, so how to define, and especially the pipeline jobs. We have to write the script, which is a Groovy script. Okay, Jenkins file we have to write. So with the help of the Jenkins file, inside the Groovy script only, we are making the deployments. Okay, so all the stuff, so whatever you creating the jobs, it will be uh, making an entry under the jobs folder. Okay, with respect to names. Then plugins, so plugins, if you go and check, this is my Jenkins server, right? So let me go inside the slash var lib Jenkins. Okay, so here let me ltr, see, plugins. So this is a recently updated plugins. Okay, secrets also, jobs, notes. Let me write notes here. This is also very important. Then there is a configuration file, config.xml file. No, not this one, there might be another file, guys, so I'll let you know later. Then users also very important. Okay, so because the user administration is there, right? Users, local users, domain users, all the things. So these are the very important, especially the workspace also. There is no workspace because we haven't created any jobs, right? So once you created the jobs, then you will get to know the workspace directory details and all. Okay, so still it is taking time. So let it be, guys. So default plugins are very very important. Okay, so default plugins, I mean default directories. Okay, so inside the plugins you can go and check. There are huge plugins. See, these all are getting installed, guys. LTRH. See, Workspo and this one. Uh, so many suggestible SSHD. Okay, all the plugins are available under this. Okay, let me check the space. Yeah, space is available. Let me check the memory utilization. So memory utilization also used, guys. Okay, so if the whenever you get any performance issue, then you can come and check the disk space and memory utilization details. Okay, then simply you can restart your Jenkins. Even the restart also, there is a very wonderful plugin is there, safe restart. We will discuss all those things. Okay, at least you should remember 15 to 20 plugins, then only you will be getting impression during the interviews. Okay, so if they ask any question, so how many plugins you aware, then you can tell each and everything, then easily will get impression, guys. So progressing, still progressing, let it be. Okay, so once you done this, okay, let it be, guys. I don't want to quit from this page because Once we install all these plugins, we have to set our username, and that will be your administrator name. Then you can set the some passwords as well. Then once you done everything, then you can go and log in. Then you will be under your dashboard, Jenkins dashboard home page. Okay, and you can uh, bookmark this URLs also. Okay, so whenever you received URL, Jenkins dashboard URL from your KT buddies, okay, so you can bookmark those, because always we are working on the Jenkins dashboard only. Always we are making changes in the pipeline, and making changes in the Docker file. Okay, so whatever you are doing, then definitely with help of this Jenkins pipelines only we are making the jobs. Okay, so let it be, guys. Then we will see what are the next topics. Okay, so dashboard, once I set up the dashboard, this is only already, and I will simply write one freestyle job. Then I will in the next video I will try to create this freestyle job, and I will check out. So far we discussed Maven, GitHub, Maven, and SonarCube, and Nexus Artifactory, right? So Nexus, all the things I will um, make the automation with the help of this freestyle job. Okay, so I will show you each and everything, then we will slowly jump into the pipelines. Okay, then we will see all the stuff. Yes, almost finished, guys. Please be patient, sir. Yes, it's done, guys. So give any name. I am giving SKTech as my username, and see, it is picking up from my cache, guys, so my browser cache, and password. So remember password, guys, otherwise it's very difficult to recover your password. Okay, so let me give my email ID. You will get a notification, but oh, I'm really sorry, this is not the email ID, this is the full name. Okay, so let me give the SK Technologies and email ID, then save and continue. This will be your URL. So you can give any domain names also, not an issue. So as of now, we don't have any domains, right? So that's it, guys. Start using Jenkins. That's it. Your Jenkins ready. This is your Jenkins home page. The moment you log in the Jenkins, this is the home page. See here, your username is SK Technologies. Okay, the first name is SK Technologies. So you are logging by the users, right? So let me log out again. I will show you. So give your username as SK Tech, then your password. That's it. See, the moment I logged in, so this is my home page, guys. So here you can create the folders, create jobs, all the things. We will see in the next video. Thank you.